Welcome to another unboxing from the Perth Mint. Today, we're unveiling a trio of coins from our Australian Lunar Series III comprising a 2026 Year of the Horse 1-ounce silver-proof coin, 1-ounce silver-proof coloured coin, and a 1-ounce silver gilded coin. Accompanied by a numbered certificate of authenticity, the set is housed in a classic display case with a clear lid and an illustrated shipper featuring a horse. Struck from 1 ounce of 99.99% pure silver, each coin portrays a majestic mare alongside her young foal, both depicted with elegant manes in a striking galloping stance. The delicately frosted design on the 1-ounce silver-proof coin appears on an immaculately polished table. The 1-ounce silver-colored coin depicts the horses in color, while the 1-ounce gilded coin highlights the horses in 24-karat gold. All coins include the Chinese character for horse, the inscription Horse 2026, and the Perth Mint's P Mint mark. Issued as Australian legal tender, the obverse features the Dan Thorne effigy of His Majesty King Charles III, as well as the weight, fineness, and the monetary denomination. Stunning collectibles for all those who follow the Australian Lunar Series, or valuable keepsakes for people born in the Year of the Horse. These remarkable coins are subject to extremely limited availability. With limited mintages, we recommend ordering soon, either from the Perth Mint shop or online at perthmint.com.